Okay, we're just getting up in Lobuche. Had a great day yesterday. Tough for people for sure, some more than others, always. But everybody made Everest Base Camp, which was just awesome. We had beautiful views going in. We can see Mount Everest, got to base camp, got the photos. Check things out. There's quite the scene going on right now because of all the climbers that are up there. It's May, so it's climbing season, and they're getting ready to push towards the summit. So we made our way up to Everest Base Camp, came back down to Gorgshep. Things started to cloud up a little bit. One of two from the group decided to, we got a helicopter in Gorgshep, flew them down to Namche for the night, which is always something we could do, a little weather dependent. The weather was coming in, clouds and stuff, but we pulled it off and got them down to Namche, so they were happy with that. The rest of us hiked from Gorgshep down to Lobuche, where we spent the evening last night, and we woke up to a beautiful day. You can see the sun up here and mountain views all the way around. Not many clouds in the sky, hardly any. So yeah, we're excited. Beautiful day. We're gonna hike down to Ferrochet from Lobuche, about 3 hours, 2.5 hours, depends how they move, and from there, five of them from the group decided that they'd like to do a scenic helicopter flight. So I have a helicopter coming in at 11 o'clock in Ferrochet. They'll light load their day packs for the night, and they'll do a scenic flight up over the lakes and over Everest Base Camp, the high valley here, back down. We'll touch down in Ferrochet again, we'll pick up their day packs, which will have their overnight kit in it for... then they'll fly down to Namche to spend the night. The rest of us will spend the night in Pangboche tonight, and then tomorrow we'll walk from Pangboche into Namche around lunchtime and meet with those who decided to do the scenic flight